big concern for entire football family in Russia, and for public, for general public, for government. And I'm pleased to say now here in Manchester that literally 2 days ago a law has been passed. We call it fans law. It was introduced to the parliament by Prime Minister Medvedev, by the government, to deal with such examples of extreme behavior, ultra behavior on the stands. The law envisages serious fines and bans, banning from matches hooligans. It envisages arrests, even suspension of businesses for organizers of the matches.